Hello everyone, so first we are going to divide our hair into two parts and then taking the remaining hair, dividing it into three parts and making three braids out of them. Then joining the three braids with the two ponytails and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are taking a high ponytail and then by using this ribbon we are going to make two braids out of it, and then we are going to fold the braids together as you can see, and then securing it with a rubber band or as it is. Next we are going to take all of the hair, taking some hair from the front and then tying a simple small pony with the help of these beautiful rubber bands. Then taking hair from the back, at one side we are going to make a braid as you can see in the video by dividing the hair into three parts and then taking the remaining hair and again forming a braid. Next we are taking a high ponytail and then we are going to apply rubber bands one by one and then making this puffed hairstyle with the ponytail. After that you can see it is ready. You can use any rubber bands you want.